Good morning. Hello, YouTube. And people out there. I'm still waking up. I'm not tired. I'm sleepy. I got woke up this morning. But I've been wanting to do this coffee video for a little bit. We found these little creamers at the gas station. It's kind of sketchy, but that's just where they are right now. I think it's a startup company. So we're going to give them a try. Okay. Read the bottles.
It just has a warning.
This one I have is, well, it's by Cafe Agave company. It's an adult creamer. It has alcohol in it.
It's for adults.
50 milliliters, 13.8% alcohol volume. Mine's a salted caramel.
Mine's French vanilla.
French vanilla. The back says real dairy cream, natural flavors. Government warning on the back. According to the Surgeon General. Oh my God, this text is so small.
It just says don't drink it if you're pregnant.
Women should not drink alcoholic beverages
And
during
don't drive.
pregnancy.
We're done.
No refrigeration necessary, but ours is cold because we refrigerated it. Let's pour them in and give them a try. You just gonna take a shot?
I just wanted to taste it. Mine tastes okay.
It smells like a mixed drink. And it comes out looking like a White Russian.
All of it in there. I should have brought
You go
spoons.
start.
I feel like on Elf
Yeah, aroma.
when he was putting alcohol in his coffee.
Mine's syrup. My spaghetti. I guess I've just tasted it. Okay, go ahead.
Cheers.
Don't break the cup.
I know my little gnome's head falls off.
Just tastes like coffee with creamer in it.
Yeah, it really tastes alcohol. That means you can get tore up with this.
Yeah. Ooh, this would be perfect for like work. Keep a couple of these in your like
Yeah, you
pocket.
can't even smell it.
Be at work.
Yeah, you can't even smell the alcohol.
They'd be wondering why they're
Coffee's
happy.
too strong.
Hey, Charlie. Hey, Charlie. Why are you so happy today? It's Monday, man. You know. Well, it tastes good. It's good. It doesn't mess up the coffee flavor. I could just be talking because I'm drunk. I don't know.
I don't think I would drink it every day though.
You want to try this one?
It kind of has like a bitter taste after it.
Can I try vanilla?
At the end.
Yours tastes different.
It has like a bitter taste at the end, right?
Well, the caramel one's all right.
I like coffee.
I'd mess with it. This vanilla one is like, if you drink anything else French vanilla, it's like a slap on the wrist, like you traitor. But it's coffee creamer or whatever.
If they had hazelnut, I'd drink it.
They have two more flavors. We didn't get them though.
Oh yeah. Well,
But these are the main two flavors. The other one was like coconut and something else.
I don't think I would get this all the time.
So dislike for you?
I mean, it's cool, but I wouldn't like it.
If you were
So-
running late for work and the line at Starbucks was too long and you knew that they had a coffee
No.
maker at work, you wouldn't grab one of these
I would just go to like Smith's and
and
get a
buy a
hazelnut
whole
creamer.
fucking creamer.
I would. I like creamer. I go through like a whole bottle in a week.
So would you recommend it?
No.
Well, I say you try it if you're an adult 21 and up, just to say you did it. And just so you can leave a comment. Anyways, like, subscribe.
Yeah, do that.
April doesn't have a channel yet, so you can put all your love on mines for her. Other than that, this is Soup.tv, and who are you?
I'm April,
Okay,
the wife.
catch you later.